Regardless of what you're thinking, Pallweber is not the guy from Fast and Furious. Welcome to another edition of Esquire Middle East's Talking Time. 2018 is a big year for IWC. The Swiss watch company celebrates its 150th anniversary in true watchmaking style, rolls out its new Jubilee collection in Tribute. For us, the pick of the collection has been the commemorative IWC Tribute to Pallweber 150 Years Edition. It's one that celebrates an obscure and not entirely successful line into the company's history. First commercialized by IWC in the 1880s, the original Pallweber system is one that first attempted to create an entirely digital display for the mechanical pocket watch. While popular at first, the instantly jumping numbered discs under the dial provided difficult manufacturing problems and was enormously power hungry. But now, thanks to the boffins at Schaffhausen, the Tribute to Pallweber jumping hours and minutes display has been offered by IWC on a wristwatch for the very first time. Taking its name from the Austrian father and son team that invented it, and not to be confused with that guy from the Fast and Furious films, the 150 years edition of the Tribute to Pallweber is an absolute beauty. Limited to a mere 250 pieces, its no-nonsense display of time and ultra-classic look make this piece one of the standouts of this year's SIHH Watch Fair in Geneva. It shows the hours and minutes in large numerals in two separate windows that operate on rotating discs. The English words hours and minutes that are displayed on the dial are there as a tribute to F.A. Jones, the American watchmaker who founded IWC. Powered by an in-house IWC manually wound movement, it now stores up to 60 hours of power. And at a rather impressive diameter of 45mm, this is very much a showpiece watch, regardless of whether you have it in steel or red gold, both of which are available in the Dubai Mall boutique. So if you enjoyed that, please remember to subscribe to get more content from Esquire Middle East, especially from Talking Time. I'm Matt Priest, thanks for dropping by.